Next up, Monolith of Thirst. In this video, I'll show you the mystical crate, the elite enemy, the weapon, and the armor crate. Let's go ahead and do it. This is the world boss area, or the area boss area, and of course, you'll be coming along here for a quest in the future. I'd recommend coming here only when you have the quest, just so you can get everything done in one go. Bring tons of ammo as you will be going into the boss area. So, there's a little loot here when it comes to boxes and stuff like that, but we can simply get all that we need. So, starting from the very top up here, you'll find just below you the rift anchor over here inside of this building. You'll need to enter it and hit F on it. That's it. You can already see the elite sitting down here with a drone on its back. So let's go ahead and do it. We'll drop down, not too far, but it will land on this roof just to make getting rid of this elite a little bit easier. So from the roof, we can just get rid of them. Bam, there we go. Clearing out the area. We'll then drop down and go in the door here. You'll find a few more guards inside, and just to your right is the rift anchor. So activating this, we'll head back out, and now we'll head towards the second rift anchor, which is just on the opposite side over there. So we'll mark it and travel around to here, where we can clear out the area, and then we should be able to make our way over them. You can find the stairs over to the right. Oh, and there's also the mystical crate. Landing on the stairs, we'll zoom up, grab ourselves the mystic crate, and we get this out of it. Then we'll need to head up these stairs a bit more to get to the second rift anchor. Up here, bam, there we go. And finally, we'll get across to the teleporter over there before heading in to do our quest, and of course, get the gear crate as well. So, parachuting across to this, climbing up, activating the teleporter, we can drop down towards the entrance right below us, although we'll just get enough kills to finish the area, that is. And there's another elite by the entrance over here to the east. Enemies seem to be really sparse here, so just getting enough kills is kind of an issue. One more kill and we're done, and there we go. Now we should be able to parachute back down, and inside of here, you should find, just to the right, inside of this first room, a gear crate sitting right here. It seems like in a lot of the monoliths, there's always a gear crate here, so it's always worthwhile checking. A bit of loose loot in here. Of course, the crafting areas, and in this room over here, usually a med kit with some meds in it. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.